In this video we are going to learn one more big friend subtraction formula. So why we need to learn this formula? See, here we have two sums. First sum here is 6 plus 5 minus 2. 6 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Here I used the big friend addition of 5. Then we need to subtract 2. We all know that at one's rod the value of each lower bit is 1. See carefully. At one's rod, how many lower bits are touching to the value bar? Only one bit is touching to the value bar. But here we need to subtract 2. So how we can remove 2 from the value bar? So how we can subtract 2 at the one's rod? So direct subtraction of 2 is not happening here. So can we apply the small friend subtraction of 2? The formula for small friend subtraction of 2 is minus 2 is equals to minus 5 plus 3. So see, at the upper deck the value of 5 is not in contact with the value bar, it is not touching to the value bar. So how we can subtract 5? So for that reason we can't apply the small friend subtraction of 2. Let us solve the second sum, which is 3 plus 7 minus 2. 3 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Then we need to subtract 2. Here no lower bit is touching to the value bar. So how we can subtract 2 directly? So direct subtraction of 2 here is also not possible. Can we apply the small friend subtraction of 2? At the upper deck the bit of 5 is not touching to the value bar. So how we can subtract 5? So because of that the use of small friend subtraction of 2 also not possible. So how we can solve these two sums? So here we have to use the big friend subtraction of 2. So here we have to use the big friend subtraction of 2. So in this video we will learn how and when we can use the big friend subtraction of 2. Now I am going to write the formula for big friend subtraction of 2. Let me first tell you what is big friend. Big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10. Which two numbers between 1 and 9, if we add them together we will get 10. So those two numbers are called big friend to each other. So what is the big friend of 2? See, here I have 2 fingers. So how many more fingers I need to make it 10 fingers? I need 8 more fingers. So 2 and 8 are big friend to each other. So here we knew that the big friend of 2 is 8. So 2 is the big friend of 8, 8 is also the big friend of 2. Now I will write the formula for big friend subtraction of 2. So minus 2 is, first we have to subtract the base value of big friend, which is 10. Then we have to add the big friend of 2, which is 8. So this is our formula. So minus 2 is equals to minus 10 plus 8. So here we got the formula for big friend subtraction of 2. Now we will apply this formula in both these sums and we will find the sum. Now first sum is 6 plus 5 minus 2. 6 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. So answer here is 9. Like this, let us solve the second sum, which is 3 plus 7 minus 2. 3 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. So answer here is 8. Now I hope this concept is well understood to you all. Now I am going to solve these 10 sums based on the formula minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. The first sum here is, the first sum is 3 plus 8 minus 2. 3 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2, minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8, answer is 9. Next sum, second sum here is 9 plus 1 is plus 10 minus 9. Here I used the big friend addition of 1. Then minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 8. Third sum is 6 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 9. Fourth sum is 7 plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 9. Sum is 3 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 8. Next sum is 29 minus 5 plus 6 minus 2. 29 minus 5 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 28. Next sum is 22 plus 50 minus 2 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 68. Next sum is 50 plus 32 plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 89. Next sum is 20 plus 8 plus 2 is plus 10 minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 28. Last sum is 37 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2. 37 plus 1 plus 2 is plus 10 minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Answer is 38. Here we have solved all the 10 sums based on the formula big friend subtraction of 2, which is minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. If you have any doubt in any question, please write me in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.